Hi, I am Cager on Two Wheels, and this is a standard vlog just to tell you that the Patreon is live. So, the Patreon. What is a Patreon? A Patreon is a way for you guys to support the channel more directly. Basically, you pay a monthly subscription, which in my case is $1 whole US. It's a fortune, I know. And you get some benefits in return. The benefits, as of now, are simply that you can suggest a topic for a video, and I'll do a monthly video with that topic. With one of the topics from your suggestions, and if I don't have suggestions from 1 month, I'll get some from the previous month. For now, it's just that and bragging rights, obviously, but it's basic. But on this first month, 2 months, I'm going to do some other tests for which I already need a Patreon to be working. I would really like to get some extra tiers on the Patreon, so I would get like lives, exclusive live videos for Patreons. That would be cool. Say I'm going to start a review, a quick cell phone Patreon only video saying, guys, I am now doing a review on this particular bike. Okay, I could actually do that. Would be cool, doing the video with cell phone. So I am actually doing the review with the cell phone, filming live for the Patreon, so they could see me doing the review, and then I'll obviously have to stop. But that would be a cool one. So I have these ideas, but I have to test them with a live Patreon to see if the links work, if there's a way to link it, if it's feasible to do it live, or if I have to just record it and publish it apart. For example, early access to the videos before they're published. Things like that. But for that I need a Patreon to be live, so I need test. So in this early stage, the Patreon is still this basic package, which is just suggest topics, and let's see how that goes. So that's just about it. The Patreon is just that. It's just a way to fund the channel directly. The money goes back into the channel. The money goes straight into buying cameras, adapters, microphones. If it gets wildly popular for some reason that I cannot comprehend, I might be able to get some gear. If it gets really, really popular, I might be able to get some throwaway gear just for the reviews, things that I can test and destroy. I'm not going to crash for it, but for example, I could try to do some kind of abrasion test on clothes or something. I'll figure something out. But I'm a bit freer to test things to destruction if need be, because it's money you guys paid, so I could do that. Things like that. It gets me a bit more free. Or even if it's just normal review and it works fine, and I can just give away the thing. I have that freedom that way. If it gets that popular, that would be a possibility. That would be a really cool possibility. I really enjoy that one. So, but it's not likely to happen, so we'll see. We'll see. This is going to be a journey of discovery. Oh my, if I had the Tenere 700, I'd go that way. So yeah, that's it. The Patreon is patreon.com/Cager on Two Wheels, as you would expect. And let's see how it goes. Seriously, let's just check it out. I don't know how it's gonna go, but for now it's just topics. It's just a way of you guys, just consider it a tip. You're just paying me a cup of coffee at Portuguese prices, not American prices. If I say buy me a cup of coffee, it's like $5 American. No, 60 cents. That's how much coffee costs here. Still, buy me a cup of coffee per month. It's just a symbolic value, just for support. And if I see there's a demand, if you guys say no, I want to give more, it's just too little, that's why there's these ideas for better tiers. So okay, you want to pay more, fine, I'll do a higher tier, but I have to do something special for you guys. So yeah, that's basically it. The Patreon is live. Go check it out if you want. No pressure. Send me a tip if you want. Don't send me a tip if you want. It's your choice. I'm not demanding anything. I'm just saying, if you want, it's there. That's it. Cager out.